sticker on. Mama, can I put sticker on you?
Why? Where? Where do you wanna put it? There's nothing.
How about the one side? Here.
Oh no, it's almost gone. Almost gone.
Mama, please,
Why?
please, Mom.
That is almost done with you.
Huh?
Do you want your milk now?
No.
Why?
It's like a big.
Hindi siya nakabase sa kutob kasi ang kingdom ng Lord hindi nag-workout yung kutob lang. They want it to be logical.
Dad?
In fact, ang kingdom ng Lord ay upside down. Dahil baliktad ang
Come and
presyo.
be here.
Lagi siyang opposite.
You help
Parang
me.
kayo. Nung bago pa lang kayo, opposite
And
sa
other
track.
things don't buy my car. You
Pero
just
matagal na
remember
kayo, opposite
my
attack.
car.
Oh, laging opposite.
Get out the way! Get out the way! Everyone, get out
Magluluto
the
ako
way!
ng
Kontra yung salita,
lunch and dinner namin.
ang kingdom ng Lord
Ay, hindi.
ay paradox.
Breakfast and lunch.
Sa mundo.
Hi, Mi. So, magluluto ako ngayon ng brunch namin. Breakfast tsaka lunch. Kasi, darating si Habi ng around 12:30. So, usually, kapag wala akong work, so ako ang magluluto ng ng brunch namin. Lulutuin ko lang naman ay itlog, scrambled egg, and then corned beef.
Kailan po yung ulit beses na nanalangin kayo, Lord?
All night!
Nakakamiss din tumambay sa bahay. Char. Kasi yung work ko is from Monday to Saturday. Then Sunday, so pupunta kami ng church niyan. So parang most of the time, nasa labas kami ng bahay. Ganun. So kapag kunyari wala akong pasok, parang nakakatuwa lang. Pero, sayang din kapag wala kang work kasi, ewan ko ba? Ang pera lang eh. Sayang, nasasayangan ako kapag wala akong work sa isang araw. Ganun. Tapos ito yung lulutuin kong corned beef. Kasi favorite yan ni Hobby. Masaya na siya dyan kapag yan ang niluto.
Lord.
So, hi, Mi! Tapos na ako magluto ng aming ulam, look.
I'm making
This is our ulam for today.
I will guide you.
At kakain na! That's it na. You sit down. Come on. Oh my God, why did you get it again?
Galing mo na ako ang Diyos.
I told you na.
Tingnan mo guys, ha?
Mama,
That's it. That's enough. We have to eat. You have to wipe it here. Wipe it.
And I have promised.
Where is the lotion? Did you put it back there?
Yes.
Alright. Okay, let's eat now.
Are you willing? Pansinin niyo ang Diyos.
Papakainin ko to.
Iba-iba. Iba ang kung paano niya ako i-deal.
Mama, this one I'm not sure, Mom.
Kung paano niya i-gagay.
Sino
Now,
ba
let's
Sit
say,
down?
Abraham,
Okay.
for example.
Sit down,
Si
please,
Abraham
because
sa
we're going to
Genesis
eat.
chapter 12. Tingnan niyo, ha?
Can you
Si
sit down?
Abraham is living a comfortable life. He has the wealth, he has the health, he has everything. Ang dami.
Mama, you never give me the phone. You never give me the iPad.
No, we have to eat first. Later. I will give you. I forgive you, but don't ever say it again. Because that's a bad word.
Ang kanyang buhay, pero sabi ng Lord, iwanan mo yan. Iwanan mo
Mama,
ang
smell it.
iwanan mo ang lahat
Smells so
at
good.
sumunod ka sa akin. Pumunta ka sa lugar na sasabihin ko sa iyo kung saan.
That's your favorite.
Sabi ni, okay, leave this
Kain.
and go to the place that I will show you. Go to the place that I will show you comfort from known to unknown. That's not an
Sit down.
upgrade. Sa unang tingin, that's a downgrade. Pero sabi ng Lord, go,
Look,
and I will
this is
show.
your favorite.
Doon tayo nahihirapan minsan.
I
Kasi
cook
sabi
it.
ng Lord, go muna, and I will show. Tayo gusto
Come
natin,
on,
show
let's
muna,
eat.
and I will go.
Faster na.
Tama? Imagine, yung 3 wise men.
Mama,
Tatlong hari, mas kilala ninyo. Diba? Sabi na
Where are you going? I'm not.
ano ang
I won't
nagsilbing
give you
gabay
the iPad
nila
if you're
para
not going to
matuntun
eat.
nila kung saan
Mama.
pinanganak ang ating Panginoong Jesus? Come on now. Yung tatlong hari nagsidalaw. Paano sila nakadalaw doon
Your
sa
tummy?
diba? Yung stars.
No, it's
Ano
very
sabi ng
small.
Scripture? Yung sa
Because
Galatia
remember, you
chapter
pupo, and then now you have to
verse
eat.
9. After listening to the
But you
king,
pupo
they
too
went
much.
their way, and behold, the
Mama.
star they had seen in the east, highlight this part,
Thank you.
went
Thank
on
you.
before
Why?
them. So yung guide, nauna lagi. He went on before them, and until it came to rest over to the place where the child was.
What? Dami.
So kaya, habang naglalakad yung 3 wise men, sumunod-sunod din sa kanila yung star na nagkakay, at huminto yung star doon sa ibabaw ng pinangalan ng ating Panginoon nila, yun ang isang lugar. And how we wish, alam ko, nasa Scripture,
You pupo already. Why do you want?
lahat
Why do you
tayo
need your
nakakakita ng
diaper?
star. Na kapag magdidesisyon
you just want to distract me,
Lord, sino sa dalawang manliligaw na to? Ah, okay, buti na lang pinakita niyo po yung star. Lord, saan pong bansa? Sa
They will
Amerika
tell.
ba o dito
They
sa
will say
Pilipinas?
you're
Sa
very
Amerika?
good because
Kasi
you're
mas madali
eating.
sure na sure ka. Kapag nakakita ka ng bituin, Lord, dito may
I'll
turo. Kasi
go
yung mga
back
wise men na to, ha?
Hmm?
Pero may gawin pa. Na habang naglalakad, yan, assume mo, lalakad.
Lalabas kami, Mima, kasi pupunta kami ng agent. Kaso, maulan. Maulan siya.
Tayo na naman si Pilipinas.
Dito de. So andito kami sa Westfield, guys.
Very small. Big one, not small.
Ay, piso. Ah, hindi. Piso. Brother. punta kami dyan sa loob guys ng Cotton On.
Did you say it? Oh, someone spoke. Oh, was it you? I don't know. Oh, no.